These are the three most terrifying sounds of World War II. If you heard these, you knew danger was near. The Stuka dive bomber. Its terrifying Jericho trumpet siren screamed as it plunged toward its target, spreading panic below. Katyusha rockets. Nicknamed Stalin's organ, the eerie howl of these rockets meant devastation was on its way. They could flatten entire areas in seconds. The V-1 rocket, or buzz bomb, that constant drone? It was a harbinger of death, but when the buzzing stopped, that's when the real fear began. It meant the bomb was about to drop.